Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the MCQs which are based on the secondary economic activity and tertiary economic activity for standard 12th geography. So these MCQs are definitely going to help you for the board examination. Kindly see the video completely. Let us start with the first question. Here we have A as assertion and R as reasoning. So assertion is the humid climate of Mumbai offered great scope for the development of cotton textile industries, and reasoning is industries require ample amount of water. So you have options like only A is correct, only B is correct. Both A and R are correct, and R is the explanation of A. And in the last option you have R is not the correct explanation of A. Now if you take a consideration of the question, the humid climate of Mumbai, that is totally true, and because of that the cotton textile has a great scope, that is also true. Why? Because the thread, when the cotton is converted into thread, the breakdown of the thread is not taken place in the case of humid climate, so that is totally favorable for the cotton textile industries. Okay, now the second reasoning given is industries required ample amount of water. So this thing is nowhere related to the cotton textile industries. Okay, so because of that both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So the option D here is the right answer. Next question. A is the assertion. In India, industries are found concentrated in few areas are available and in India is predominantly agrarian country. So here the options are only A is correct, only B is correct. Both A and R are correct, and R is the explanation of A. Both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Now here if you consider in India, industries are you find industries concentrated only in few areas wherever the accessibility is okay, transportation is okay, and the other things which are very much required for industry setup, that is okay. So there only the industries are concentrated, that is true. And India is predominantly agrarian country, so this is also true because most of the population in India is engaged in agriculture, hence it is called as agrarian country. So hence this is a correct option, that is option C. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Now the next question is world's biggest dome. The World Peace Dome is situated in dash. So options are Alandi, Pune, Mysore, India, USA, GPF, Loni, Kalbhor, Pune. Okay, so the right answer here is Loni, Kalbhor, Pune. So it has a biggest dome. It is the world's biggest dome which you see, and it is called as Peace Dome, which is situated in World Kalbhor, Pune. Next question. Tertiary activities includes dash. So here you have the options like use of natural resources, finished product, raw material, and transportation. So as we all know that transportation, trade, tourism, all of them are the part of tertiary activities. So the last option is exactly correct. Next question. Natural ports. So which is the natural port among all of them? So you have options like Kochi, INPT, none of these, Delhi International Cargo Terminal. So here the right answer is Kochi, which is a natural port. You did not means there was no need for any other changes or setup. So hence it is Kochi. Next question. Trans-Australian Railway connects dash and dash. Okay, so here the options are Perth, Sydney, Perth's Vladivostok, Sydney, Vancouver, Vancouver, Vladivostok. So here the right answer is, first of all, it is situated in Australia, and hence the right answer is Perth and Sydney. This railway route is very much important as per the economic development of Australia. It connects various places and is very much good for the trade. Next question. Gathering of various products from the forest for livelihood is mainly carried in dash. So you have the different forest like temperate coniferous, temperate deciduous, tropical deciduous, and equatorial evergreen forest. So the right answer here is temperate coniferous forest. So this forest, it has a combination of various types of products, and you can carry out gathering in large amount of quantity. Next question, ideal location for fishing is dash. So here the options are rugged coast, shallow seas, hot climate, growth of planktons. Shallow seas, confluence of warm and cold currents, growth of planktons, cold climate. Option C, continental shelf, growth of planktons, good fishing skills and cold climate. And option D is continental shelf, rugged coast, growth of planktons and cold climate. So here the right answer is option B, because if you want to carry out fishing on the large amount, then definitely you require the sea should be shallow. There should be cold and warm currents, confluence of cold and warm currents where they meet each other, and because of that the photosynthesis activity carries out in a large amount. You can see high amount of planktons like zooplanktons, photoplanktons, and it should be a type of cold climate. Okay, so this is the right answer. Next question, primary economic activity not related directly to latitudinal location. So options are lumbering, fishing, mining and agriculture. So the right answer is mining, because mining is not at all related to latitudinal location. Next question, characteristic of extensive commercial agriculture. So here you have so many options. So if you want to carry out extensive commercial agriculture, you require only one crop, that is monoculture, but monoculture is there in all the options. Next is you require the scientific use of scientific technology. Okay, and subtropical production of pulses are done on the large scale. Okay, so option D, where the monoculture is seen, the scientific science and technology can be used, and subproduction, it is basically in subtropical zone, and the production of pulses and grains are done in the case of extensive commercial agriculture. Next question, the raw material for paper is dash. So the options are wood, pulp, wood, paper and none of these. So here the right answer is wood, because we require wood to convert it into a paper. Next question, the finished product of cement industry is dash. So the options are sand, gravels, pebbles and cement. So the right answer here is cement. Obviously you cannot get sand out of a cement industry. Definitely cement will only be the final product. Next question, the raw material for sugar industries is dash. So options are sugarcane, raw sugar, brown sugar, none of these. So basically you require a sugarcane. So sugarcane is the right answer, which is a raw material which gets converted into sugar later on after processing. Next question, the raw material for cotton textile industry is dash. So options are fabric, cotton, loom, all options are required. So no, you require only cotton as a raw material for cotton textile industries. Then the cotton is converted into fabric. Next question, tourism is dash economic activity. So here the options are primary, secondary, tertiary, quinary. So tourism comes under the quinary, tertiary activity. So tertiary is the right answer. Next question, agriculture is dash economic activity. So here we have the options like primary, secondary, tertiary, quinary. So basically agriculture is the very initial type of economic activity, that is a primary economic activity. Next question, mining is dash type of economic activity. You have the options like secondary, tertiary, quinary, none of these. So basically mining is considered as the primary economic activity. So here you don't have that option, so none of these is the correct answer. Next question, dry fishing products and fishing oil, these activities comes under dash. So you have the options like primary, secondary, tertiary, none of these. Now whenever you do fishing, you convert, you just extract the oil from the fish or dry them. Okay, so such type of things, they are going to come in a type of processing. So the processing is basically done in secondary economic activity, hence it will be secondary economic activity. Animal husbandry is dash economic activity. So animal husbandry is also a primary economic activity. Next, lumbering is dash economic activity. So we all are aware that lumbering is totally dependent on nature, on trees. So hence it is a primary economic activity. As the option is not available here, so none of these is the right answer. Next question, milk processing industries should be near to dash. So options are near to market, near to raw material, availability of work, and proper climate. Now milk processing industries, you know the duration of milk, it is very much perishable. Okay, so it gets spoiled within a day. Okay, so it needs to be processed immediately, or it needs to be sold out immediately. So basically it should be near to market, so that you can just sell it out immediately and give it to the customers immediately. Next question, health industry and banking field, these activities comes under dash. So the options are tertiary activity, secondary activity, primary activity, and none of these. Now in the case of tertiary activity, you have a high qualified and expertism. Okay, so such type of occupations like health industry, banking fields are going to come in tertiary activity. Next question, manufacturing activity is called as dash activity. So manufacturing is basically called as secondary activity. Next question, Manchuria is a state of dash country. So options are China, India, Sri Lanka, and Japan. So answer is China. Next question, Germany is placed in dash continent. So options are Asia, Africa, Australia, and Europe. So the right answer is Europe. Next question, France is located in dash. Options are Asia, Africa, Australia, Europe. So the answer is Europe. Next question, Russia is located in dash continent. So the options are Asia, Europe, Africa, Asia, and Europe. So the right answer is Asia and Europe as well. Next question, Kawasaki is industrial region of dash country. So the options are Taiwan, Japan, Malaysia, and Bhutan. So here the right answer is Japan. Next question, Brazil is situated in dash continent. So options are North America, South America, Africa, and Canada. So the right answer is South America. Next question, New York is located in dash country. So the options are North America, USA, South America, Canada. So the right answer is USA. Next question, cane work is example of dash industry. So the options are small scale, micro, medium, and cottage. So the right answer is cottage industries. Next question, telecommunication is an example of dash activity. Options are primary, tertiary, secondary, and quinary. So the right answer is tertiary. Next question, Sri Lanka exports dash. So the options are coffee, tea, fruit, and vegetables. So the right answer is tea. Next question, research and training. These are the examples of dash economic activity. So the options are quaternary, tertiary, secondary, and primary. So it is an example of quaternary type of activity where the expertise scientists, researchers, they take a role in this. So these are the quaternary economic activity. Next question, banking and insurance are the example of dash economic activity. So the right answer is tertiary economic activity. The world famous origination WTO is related to dash. So the options are World Transportation Organization, World Training Organization, World Trade Organization, and none of these. So the full form of WTO is World Trade Organization, which is basically done. The main aim of it is to carry out the trade without any conflict. Next question. In these agro-based industries, which is not related to agro industries? So the options are sugar mill, cotton textile, fish oil, fish product processing unit, and food fruits processing unit. So the right answer will be fish oil and fish product processing unit, as well as even when the food is converted or the fruits are converted in some another format, like if you convert the fruits in jam or jellies, then definitely it is also going to come in a manufacturing industry. So even this is going to be an agro based industries. Okay, so fish and fish product is not based on agriculture, so that is the correct option, that is C, which is not an agro industry. Next question. In these examples, which industrial region is not in South America? So options are Brazil, Zambia, Argentina, and Venezuela. So the right answer is Zambia. Next question. In these examples, which industrial region is in Africa? Options are Ghana, Singapore, Hong Kong, Taiwan. So the right answer is Ghana. Next question. In the below example, select Indian major industrial regions. So the options are Chota Nagpur, Plateau, Mumbai Pune, Corridor, Delhi region, and all of the above examples are correct. So here all of them are the well developed industrial sectors. So all of them is the right answer. Next question. In the below factors, which factor is not affecting on sugar industries? So the options are climate, market, culture, and raw material. So here all these factors are very much important, except the factor that is the culture, which not at all plays a role in the case of development of sugar industries. Next question. Dash is not industrial city in Maharashtra. So the options are Hinjawadi, Ichalkari, Mumbai, and Alandi. So Alandi is the place where you cannot see any type of industrial setup. Next question. Dash industries are supposed to be nation's secret of growth. So options are engineering, iron and steel, cotton, textile, information technology. So the right answer is engineering industries. So these are the industries which are emerging very high in the speed, and because of that the growth of the economic condition of the countries are also increasing. Dash plays an important role in the establishment of industries. Options are raw material, capital, power resources, and climate. So the right answer is capital. Next question. In sugar production, beet is more important raw material than sugarcane because. So the options are beet can be preserved for longer time, beet are easy to carry, bagases are remaining in large quantity for sugarcane, and none of the above. So the right answer is beet can be preserved for longer time. So next question is, in the below, which is not in tertiary economic activity? So the options are insurance, real estate, communication, mining, and fishing. So mining and fishing both are the primary activities, they do not belong to the tertiary activity. Next question. Who is known as the founder of economics? So the options are David Ricardo, Adam Smith, J.S. Mill, and L. Robbins. So the right answer is Adam Smith, who is the founder of economics. Next question. Which is the currency name of Qatar? So the options are Riyal, Dinar, Pound, and Taka. So the right answer is Riyal. Next question. What do you mean by gross nation product? So here the options are very lengthy, you can go through it. The last option, that is the total value of goods and services produced in the country and net factor income from abroad, is considered as gross nation's product. Next question, who is the finance minister of India? So this is also a very important question. So here we have options like Rajnath Singh, Smriti Irani, Nirmala Sitharaman and Amit Shah. So presently the finance minister of India is Nirmala Sitharaman. So this is all about the questionnaires or the MCQs which are based on lesson number 5 and 6, that is secondary and tertiary economic activities for standard 12th arts and science students. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel if you like the video.